Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the HP Deskjet printer even error in 2026. Now, the even error usually shows up when the printer has trouble pulling the paper or if it detects a feeding problem. So, in order to fix it, first of all, you need to remove all the paper from the input tray. So, your input tray is going to be here. So, you need to basically remove all of the papers from this. Even if the paper looks fine, the curled edges or too many sheets can cause the even error. Now, you need to fan the paper stack gently to separate the sheets. This is going to help prevent multiple pages from feeding at once. After that, you need to place the paper check neatly and adjust the paper guides so that they touch the sides of the paper without squeezing it. So after doing this, you just have to basically look for the hidden paper jams. For that, you need to turn off your printer first. After that, you need to open the first side of it. So after opening it, you need to look inside and look for the cartridges or the door area. If you see any of the papers stuck in this particular place, you just have to basically remove it. Even very small piece can block the feed sensors. Now if the error still shows, you just have to simply do the power reset. For that, you just have to basically press this power button on your printer, and after doing this, you just have to wait for 5 seconds about in order to reset the printer. And once it resets, you just have to basically feed the sensors and clear any temporary glitches. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.